Hello friends, welcome back to Molly's Kitchen. Today I am making bhindi fry, that is Bhindi Masala Fry. So for that I have cut the bhindi and kept like this, thin slices, very thin, and I'll show you how I cut it also. I've kept two for cutting, showing you. Then I have taken garlic, 8 to 9 pieces. I have cut it into thin slices. Then I have taken one onion, that also into thin slices I have cut. Now I have taken half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of Garam Masala, 2 tablespoons of groundnut powder, and half a teaspoon of mango powder, that is Amchur powder. Then I have taken 1 tablespoon of the coriander powder, chilli flakes little bit, half a teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'll also be taking chilli powder, half a teaspoon. I'll just add it in between. So these are the ingredients, and now I'll show you how I cut this. So you have to cut this side, both the sides, remove it, cut it in the middle like this, and then see, this way you cut it, and then again give a cut here, and then give again one more cut here. So this becomes very thin. Then I'll show you one more, cut off the sides, and then take this in the middle, cut it in the middle like this, and then you can cut it together also, these two, and so it becomes like this way also. So this is how I cut it. So now I'll keep the kadai on the gas and put on the gas, add 2 tablespoons of oil, now once this becomes hot, I'll be also adding jeera powder little bit, that I'll keep it here, jeera powder, and red chilli powder, which I did show you earlier. So now I just fry this. I just put this bhindi. This is cut. So just fry this for around 4-5 minutes. Little it becomes soft and all that stickiness goes off. Till that time just you have to fry this like this, open only. If the flame is low, then you can close and keep. If you are keeping it open, then you can keep the flame high also, and then keep on frying it. So let it fry for some time. Now you can see I have already fried this properly. This is almost done. So I just remove this in a plate. In between I closed it with the lid, and then fried it. So it cooks faster then, that's why. So then this is ready now. I just take it out, make the flame low. Yeah. Now take another 2 tablespoons of oil. Then I'll add the garlic and let this garlic fry for some time. Let it infuse its flavor. Along with this, if you want, you can add jeera. Now since I am adding jeera powder, I am not putting jeera here. Cumin seeds. So let the garlic fry for a few seconds. It doesn't have to be brown, just little color change, that is enough. Now I'll put the onions. These onions also I have all separated it like this, little bit, and then added. This onion has to fry. This will take another 5 minutes to fry. And don't and keep in between, I'll stir it. I open the lid and you can see this is fried quite well. Add the bhindis here back. So both will fry together for 2 minutes. Now I'll add the salt. I'll add a little less salt. Afterwards, if I want, I'll add more. Add the turmeric. Now I'll add chilli powder, half a teaspoon, half or little a pinch, because I am adding the chilli flakes also afterwards. And keep the flame low only. Now since this is all fried, only the masala has to fry now. So now the garam masala, coriander powder, 1 tablespoon. This is Amchur powder, and I'll add half a teaspoon of jeera powder. I add the red chilli flakes. You can see it became all crispy and nice. Let it fry for some time, and after this I'll add the groundnut powder and finish with that. Bhindi looks quite crispy and tasty with all these masalas. I'll keep on stirring for 2-3 minutes. Finally, this is over. Now I'll add the groundnut powder. For a few minutes I went on mixing it. Now I'll add the balanced salt also. Little salt was left. So this is how the bhindi will be. Again, just 2 minutes I just fry. After putting the groundnut, I again fried for 2 minutes, and now it's over. So I just put out the gas now. So this is how this bhindi fry looks. I'll take it out in a plate and show you how it is. This you can eat with rice, chapati. It tastes nice as a side dish. It's become nice crispy also, and the mango powder sourness is also there. So this is how it looks. So make this recipe at home, and if you like my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.